This is the review for the exam, problem number 25. So this problem for some reason scares you guys, but you're going to do exactly what you would do if it was a quadratic. Even though this is a quartic instead of a quadratic, you're going to factor it. So we're going to make two pair of parentheses. And we're going to say, okay, what's the square root of x to the fourth? Well, that's x squared, so we put an x squared here and an x squared here. Now we need two numbers that when we multiply them we get 54 and a positive 54, and when we add them we get a negative 15. So that will be a negative 6 and a negative 9. Because negative 6 times negative 9 gives us this positive 54, and a negative 6 plus a negative 9 gives us this negative 15. All right, now once we factored it, then we take each of the factors and set it equal to 0. So we say x squared minus 6 equals 0, or x squared minus 9 equals 0. Now we add 6 to both sides, so we get x squared equals 6. And then we square root both sides, but when you bring a square root symbol into a problem, you must bring with it a plus or minus sign, so you get x equals a plus or minus the square root of 6. There's two solutions. And on the other one, we add 9 to both sides, we get x squared equals 9. We square root both sides, we get x equals a plus or minus 3, and there's the other solution. Notice, because this is a quartic, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. A positive 6, square root of 6, a negative square root of 6, positive 3, and a negative 3.